If you want to set a live wallpaper on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then in that case we can open Settings and go to Wallpaper and Style. Now in here you can tap on More Wallpapers in order to find the full list of different options. We can use a live effect on our photo, which allows you to add that 3D effect into a photo or image of your choice. You can pick up a photo or an image from the gallery and then you can apply this effect. However, if you're looking for a wallpaper that is actually somewhat moving, then in this case you can choose the Living Universe collection. Now in here we can download any of these options in order to use this wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And unfortunately the effect itself is nothing really spectacular. So if you want to stick with all of these wallpapers that we have added, then, well, you can give it a try and you can see how it looks like. Like in this case, you can see the water is actually flowing quite nicely. So maybe it's not too bad, but it could be definitely better. If you decide to, of course, use it, you can just tap on Next over here in the top right corner, and then we can apply the wallpaper for both lock and home screen. On the other hand, if you're looking for something more spectacular, then most likely you need to download a third-party app that allows you to get animated wallpapers. And most of the time you can just simply open the Play Store and you should be able to search for something like live wallpaper or something like that. And you probably can find many different apps that can grant you the access to these live wallpapers. For example, Zedge is something that I have been using before and I know it works just fine, so you can give this one a try. You can also use TikTok for that as well. There's like an additional plugin to TikTok that allows you to set videos as wallpapers, essentially. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.